Bordering open space to the side as well as backing to over 700 acres of South Platte Park Bird Sanctuary in an exclusive gated community of 16 homes, sits this rare ranch home, custom built in 1995 by Verdant Homes. This very spacious home offers loads of living space on the main floor as well as in the partially finished lower level. Features include custom window coverings, gourmet kitchen with center island breakfast bar, stainless appliances and granite counters, and a family room with 7 speakers and a wet bar, highlighted by a wine storage and full-sized fridge. Enjoy the space of 3 bedrooms and 4 baths, which includes a master suite with new California closet and a gorgeous bath with double vanities and heated floor. The lower level shows off a suspended structural floor, while 3-car garage offers an epoxy floor. Outside, you can enjoy a $100,000 in landscaping with koi pond, waterfall, and hot tub, just to name a few. Find out more by calling Julie Gelfond today.